What's going on, everybody? Today I'm in a beautiful park. Actually, I would say it's the most beautiful, the most expansive park in the area of the San Fernando Valley, in Los Angeles County. When you look on the map, this is gonna be one of the biggest, collective, continuous, you can call it continuous. It's not 100% continuous. There's like a street separating two big parks, but it's like semi-continuous in the San Fernando Valley. You can see here what they call Woodley Boulevard, and then separating two big green areas. Over there's a little airfield that is an airfield for drones and for hobbyists to fly little planes and stuff, like little toy planes and stuff like that. It's over there. And then over on this side you have a water reclamation plant, a Japanese garden, and a park, and pretty big park, and another big park that's actually also very nice. So this is the I think it's called the Sepulveda Basin area. I might show a little map on Google Maps to see, but when you look in the San Fernando Valley, this is one of the best, most beautiful green areas. It's kind of flatty. It's not a lot of hills and hikes and stuff like that, like usual California, but it's a lot of flat areas with a bunch of lakes on both sides of it, and a big golf course as well. So to this side right here, there's a big golf course right here to my back that extend, I think, between two streets. One of them is Woodley Boulevard, and the other one is called, if I'm not mistaken, Balboa Boulevard or something like that. So basically gonna show, maybe today and 2 other days, I'm gonna show a little bit of this park with the golf course, with the maybe one day I'm gonna go to the Japanese garden and show people what's going on here. And there's also another area that has a lot of ducks and different types of birds and stuff like that. There are a lot of people that are bird watchers that come here to this other side of the park, the side that is close to the intersection of Woodley and Burbank Boulevard. There are a lot of people that come here as bird watchers and bird photographers and things like that, and they basically come to this specific area to take pictures of specific birds that happen to inhabit this area, like different types of owls and stuff like that. So that's definitely one thing. I think this is inside of the San Fernando Valley. I think that this is the best continuous collection of parks together in this area of the San Fernando Valley. I think so. And there's a big dam that almost finishes this area, or it's on the, I would say, the northern side of this area. There's kind of like a big dam, and there's this little hobbyist airport right here to the right, and to the left, of course, there is another park. So that's pretty much it. And right now I'm walking in an area that happened, actually, this place before this area right here, there was a fire in this area right here. I think maybe around mid 2024, there was a fire where all this area right here got burned. It used to be tall grass, and then it completely got burned down. And it's been months now. It's probably been maybe 5, 6, close to 5-6 months since this area has been burned. And you can see here well, I guess somebody's here, but you can see in some places how this area was burned before. And now it's actually starting to recover. So now you see it's all green again, but all of the stuff right here, this all used to be just nothing but burned grass basically. And now it's the grass is starting to come out again, and the grass is starting to regrow again. So this is something that's very nice to see, that the grass is coming again. And I guess some of the trees as well here that have been completely demolished by the fire, they are starting to come back again. So that's something that's very nice. And that's pretty much it. So now I'm just walking until the end of this thing, and there are a bunch of trees right here, and I don't know if these trees, this tree and that tree, I don't know if these trees were put in here as a part of replanting this whole area, or if it's just they were here naturally from before, or were they replanted. I really don't know. But anyways, it's a very nice, the grass is growing back in a very nice way, and it looks like it's recovering, which is the nature of life, right? Things get burned down and things get destroyed, but it takes time and they basically recover. See that? And so this is a drone right here, and because there is an airport over there, and they fly these drones in that area right here. And this is something that's very nice. So I like this drone right here. I think it's called the Apollo Airport, if I'm not mistaken. So they fly these drones, and they fly all these different things out here. And they have these like two types of basically two types of, they call them both drones, but one of them has like a little thing, a little kind of like little airport where they fly them and then they go up. And then there's another part that's actually for the drones. For the drones, the drones that are kind of like, they just fly them like a helicopter, you know, they just fly. They don't need basically like a runway. So that's a type of the two types of drones that they fly at this airport. One are these drones like that you can buy at any store, that you go fly them with the remote, and they just get off the ground. They don't need any runway, and they fly them through these obstacles and stuff. And another type is the ones that need the runway, so they have to basically drive them on the runway and then fly them up over there. And some of these planes, some of these like toy planes, they're not toy planes, they're actual, it's almost like real drones, right? But they fly, many of them use real like fuel and everything, and some of them are actually very big and very heavy. So these people have to build them. They have to build all of the stuff. It's something that's actually can be very complicated. A lot of these guys are engineers or have engineering backgrounds, you know, to be able to do this type of stuff, because it involves so much expertise to do these types of things, you know. So basically, this is pretty much it. So here's a very nice area, and so over there to my back, there's the Japanese garden, and there's the I guess Woodley Boulevard, and then to this side there's the drone airport and a golf course, and then all over on the other side there's, I think, like a big sports complex. And then to this side right here that has the little like mountains right here, this is where the Sepulveda Dam is, and you can even, I think you can see it a little bit from here, but it's not very apparent. Anyways, this is the, I guess you can call it the Sepulveda Basin area or something like that. That's what they call it, you know. But anyways, I'll show it in maps, and for people that are interested to come here. And oh, there is a bike path that's right here. This right here, there's a bike path over on this side right here that goes all the way around this complete area. So I'm gonna explore different parts of this area, and hopefully people like it or hate it, whatever. It's up to you. I like nature, so for me, I like it.